out of here.
Go back inside. Help the others clean the place up.
Okay. Careful out there.
Easy, no, anis, nagkakabayo na ako, boy. Yot, tigidig, yot, tigidig, yot, tigidig, 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 yot, tigidig, yot, tigidig. Grabe ah. Nagkakabayo na ako. Tambay list nila.
She couldn't have gone far. We'll find her. Don't worry.
Stubborn.
She usually pull these stunts.
Nothing like this. What's
I
going
don't know
on?
what's going. Alon. Ako na. Nakasunod yung kabayo ah. Sunod-sunod lang yung kabayo natin ah. Ayan. Tara na. Kailangan na natin habulin si Ellie. Atarantaduhan na ni Ellie. Ooh! Talon! Talon! Oh! Paano nakaalis si Ellie dito? Ang dami. Bumabaril kanina.
Tracks keep going this way. Let's hope they didn't get to her.
Wala bang mga item dito? Wala. Ano may item dito? Ano yun?
Sigo.
Ellie, nasa ka na? Visit ka. Pagod na yung kabayo ko. Kuya! Ellie, pagod na yung kabayo ko. Tama pumunta, visit ka. Finding Ellie. Dito ka lang pala. Ayok ka, Ellie.
Look, by the ranch. That's our horse. She's got to be there.
Yung kabayo.
Area looks clear.